Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about some hiring opportunities. So this video is going to be very important for you. So do watch the complete video. Also, if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. This channel is going to be very helpful for you. And do turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important job opportunity or any important update from the channel itself. And be a part of our Telegram channel as well. So before proceeding further in the video, let me tell you something informative that usually I do get questions and comments from the students regarding the courses which they can follow for the preparation, DSA courses, programming courses, and many such courses, the platform which they can trust on. So you know that Geeks for Geeks is one of such amazing platforms that provide you plenty of courses like this. So if you are interested in any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks, you can simply use the coupon code study with Soumya, where every letter should be in capital. So use the coupon code study with Soumya. There should be no gap and every character should be in capital. Even the code is provided in the description, right? So use that coupon code which is provided in the description and get 10% discount on the Geeks for Geeks courses. So you can use this code for any of the courses to get to avail 10% discount, right? So do use the code and start learning now. Happy learning, guys. Well, let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from Capgemini. So you can see Capgemini is hiring junior developers. So basically 0 to 1 years of experience is needed. So if you're just a fresher, that is if you're from 2021 batch, just a fresher, and even holding experience of 1 year like 2020 and 2021 is eligible for this particular hiring. So CTC hasn't been disclosed. The location mentioned is Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Bangalore, right? So let's read further about this. The candidate should have done a very strong technical background in any skill. So in any skill, you should be having very strong background. Education needed is BE, BTech, MCA, MTech only. Okay, so here they have specified 19, 20 and 21, right? So 19, 20, 21, these batches are eligible. Basically primary skills which they have asked for is experience in any technology, mandatory. Good communication skills should be there. If you are meeting with above criteria, please click on below link and share details to proceed further. So here's the form. You have to click here and you have to provide the details that they're asking for. So this is an amazing opportunity for you. So make sure to apply if you are from the given batches which they have mentioned and if you're meeting the eligibility criteria. But let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from Amazon. Amazon is basically hiring for cloud support associate. This is the description given regarding the company. You can go through it, although this is the company which needs no introduction, right? So this is a sort of overview given. You can go through it. Now, what about AWS support? And everything has been mentioned so that you can understand the role properly. Let me give you a short, crisp thing that is mentioned here, that Amazon has a history and tradition of leading the world in web-related technologies and services. Now with AISPL support, you have the chance to join us as a cloud support associate who helps individuals and businesses take their computing infrastructure and application into the cloud. What will be your responsibility? So learn and use groundbreaking technologies, apply advanced troubleshooting techniques to provide unique solutions to our customers' individual needs, interact with leading technologists around the world and resolve customer issues, drive customer communication during critical events. Talking about the basic qualification, so 0 to 1 year of experience with just a fresher. So you can apply in Linux, Windows, system administration or database design and optimization or big data analysis or network administration or DevOps, right? So if you're from 2021 batch or 2020, you can apply for this one. Bachelor's degree in engineering is one of the branches. In one of the branches, CSE, IT, EC, EEE or MCA. Troubleshooting, support experience, programming, scripting experience, excellent oral and written communication skills is needed, right? So now let's talk about our next opportunity. So our next opportunity is from Cogno AI, basically. So they are hiring for the role of software engineer. So we are looking for a passionate software engineer. Responsibility include gathering user requirements, defining system functionality, and writing code in various languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Talking about your responsibilities, so tools and technology that you would be working include the following: Django, Python, Bootstrap, Materialize, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Unicorn, Oracle, MySQL, AWS and all, shell commands, SSH, SSL certificate, HTTP, HTTPS, Talking about the eligibility, so a BTech degree in computer science or IT is mandatory. Excellent knowledge of relational database like MySQL, etc. Knowledge in developing web application using at least one popular web framework. Knowledge in designing interactive application, ability to develop software using Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and other programming languages. Ability to document requirements and specification. Experience 0 to 1. So if you're from 2020 or 2021 batch, you can apply for this one. Location is currently remote, eventually Mumbai, right? Compensation, so you will be getting a package of up to INR 9.5 LPA based on experience and inclusive of variables. Here are some benefits mentioned as well, so you can just go through it. Some requirements has been given, you can just understand it properly. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Atos Intel. So basically, let's understand about the eligibility criteria first, and then we'll be moving further. So what they're actually looking for is BE BTech computer science student, right? So this is a sort of PDF form thing given, right? So you can just simply download it to understand the eligibility criteria, right? And if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, just simply you have to check this box, you have to click on accept, and then you have to provide all sort of details that they're asking for. And after completely filling this form, you have to just move further and provide rest or remaining details, and you have to submit the form, right? So all the job for all the job, the link is provided in the description itself, so you can just check the description. Also in the description itself, I have provided the coupon code for Geeks for Geeks that you can use, that is study with Soumya, and you can avail a discount of 10%, and as well as the job links as well provided in the description. So do apply, guys. Definitely it is going to be helpful for you. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel and share the video among your friends as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.